Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add our own songs to Snapchat story. So if you want to add your own songs to your Snapchat story, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat application, now you have to tap on the music icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. So here you can find your music icon. Just have to tap on that. After tapping on that music icon, now you have to tap on my favorites, which is on the top middle of the screen. After doing that, now you can add my sound. After tapping on that, now you can create your own sounds for your snap. Tap on create sounds and you can find a pop-up icon which has two options: record sound, upload from camera roll. So what record sound means is you can just record a sound by tapping on the mic icon which is on the bottom middle of the screen, and you can add that sound to your snap on your stand by tapping on the second option, upload from camera roll. What you can do is you can select a video from your gallery and it will add the audio of that video to your snap. So this is how to add your own songs to Snapchat story. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.